Hey guys, Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. It is my favorite time of the year, which is the Sephora VIB sale, or I guess now the holiday bonus sale. So if you want to see some of my recommendations, definitely keep on watching.
It's
that time of the year where Sephora hits us with the great holiday bonus sale. Is starting on November 1st through 11th. I'm going to be listing all the dates and the percentages off that you and I will be receiving. I'm going to tell you guys the things I think you should be looking out for and some of the things I may be actually picking up. Kicking it off with one of my favorite skincare brands is BELIF, and they of course have their Moisture Miracle set, which is $38. And I feel like always their kits are pretty good because you're basically paying the same amount for a full-size product. Plus you get 2 additional goodies inside a kit, and who doesn't love that? I know I do. This one has their moisturizing cream in it instead of their Aqua balm. However, if you like something that is a little bit more gel-like, you could still pick up one of their older kits, which is their Surfs Up kit. I believe I hauled that in my last Sephora video. So if you are an oilier girl, you definitely can use the Aqua Bomb, which is also available. I tend to use the cream in the winter time, so I just, have that extra bit of protection. They also have a really tiny travel set, which is their Ho-Ho-Holiday Kit, really based upon their Aqua line, which is perfect for us oily girl skin. TATCHA has their Treasures for Poreless Skin Kit coming in at $74. Now this one has a full-size version of their water cream, which I freaking love. The full-size water cream comes in at a whopping $68. So for a couple of extra dollars, you could try out some of their other products. I'm really looking at that skin mist. That's what I really have my eyes on because I believe they don't have any minis, and I really do want to try that. So the satin mist is really what I'm after. So I have a little toss up between BELIF and going back to TATCHA just to be, bougie and fancy. You can't mention bougie and fancy without mentioning Drunk Elephant. Of course, they always have some sort of holiday kit, basically re-promoting the same types of kits, but they're, changing up some of the minis. So the 3 kits that I am looking at, or will probably be choosing between, are their Precious Cargo Kit that comes in at $88, their Shelf Control Day Kit, which is coming in also at $88, and their Shelf Control Night Kit, which is coming in at $98. Their full-size products range between $80 and $90. So for an extra $10, you get to try out some of their other products in their line, which I don't think is a bad deal. I normally go for the glycolic acid. However, I think I might be jumping ship. So Pharmacy's Sweet Dreams limited edition set actually has a very comparable AHA BHA serum that I'm very interested in. It is the Honeymoon Glow serum. I might give that a go. I'm not sure if I really want to try the other products that are in this kit. It might be best for me personally to just get the serum and skip out on the entire kit. However, they do have this other kit that I'm interested in, and that is the Sweet Greens holiday set, and this one has their cleansing balm as well as 2 of their products. I'm really into double cleansing. This is a really top rated cleansing balm that I am wanting to try. The final skincare kit that I'm looking at is from Youth to the Public, and they have this Discovery Kit. I have no idea about their company, their products, but they seem pretty well rated on the Sephora site. And I'm always interested and curious in trying new skincare items. All right, let's talk about makeup. It should be no surprise that this item is on the top of everyone's list, and that is Fenty Beauty's Mini Gloss Bomb Holiday Set. Of course, everybody is looking at that, as am I, and as well as their little Stunna paint. that little Stunna paint, that is bomb. I love that color. Everyone is obsessed with that chocolate brown gloss. I think that is a really, really good buy. I know that is 100% in my cart, ready to get. Okay, say what you want about this next person, but Kat Von D, I personally like her liquid lipsticks. So she has this nude lipstick trio with 3 shades. I think I'm just gonna go into Sephora and look at the shades before I purchase, but it looks pretty good to me. Now she does have a holiday set with miniature liquid lipsticks, but they look a little different than the ones I picked up. This is how one of the mini lipsticks looked last year. And I don't know, it looks shorter and fatter. I don't know if it's less product, and some of the colors I'm not really feeling, but the full-size versions of the trio, I definitely might be picking up. So speaking of lip products, Artist Couture, how dare you not even mention that you have a holiday set? I had to stumble upon this myself. So they have this uncensored bronze lip and eye set with their newly launched 2.0 uncensored lip gloss that they used to have a long time ago, as well as a Diamond Lights finisher. Excuse me. Of course, I got y'all back because I looked all over the site for everything. I'm already going to be picking that up. Okay. Another product I feel like you should probably get your hands on are their Diamond Luxe Luminizers. Now, this is not a new product. However, it is being discontinued. This is Hot Damn. It's one of my favorite shades. I'm sure it will be replaced with something amazing if you can get your hands on it, because they will not be around much longer. So we're just gonna segue right into palettes, and of course, still with Artist Couture, I'm going to recommend their Midnight Maven palette. I did a full swatch video and tutorial using this palette. I really love it. I have it on my eyes right now. It's just a really cute go-to palette. Of course, I can't mention palettes without mentioning Jackie Aina, ABH, their collab. This palette I also did a review and swatch video on. If you're saving anywhere between 10 and 20%, I would highly recommend these 2 palettes. These are both limited edition, 2 separate price points, but equally amazing. My final palette that I'm going to recommend is nothing new. However, the savings on it, I could not mention it, and that is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This palette normally retails for $49. They have it right now for $24.50. Probably one of Urban Decay's best palettes, if I'm being completely honest with you. It's beautifully balanced. It's a nice departure from their Naked series. I think it's sold out online, but if you can go into the store and pick one up, I would highly suggest you pick this one up. Sticking with Urban Decay, they have some pretty good deals with their gift sets. So the first one is their all-nighter spray. Now, one bottle retails for $33. So with the duo only being $42, I'm just saying that's a bit of a savings if you are in love with their spray. Their primer potion, a regular size primer potion, is $24. If you really love the product and you really use it, you might as well just go ahead and spend the extra $4 to get 2 full size products. Of course, we have to mention Beauty Blender in their Crown Royals set. It features 4 sponges, 4 bars of soap, and it's for $65. A regular size sponge is $20 just on its own. So anytime you can give me the free stuff and a discount, I'm all the way here for it. And plus, you really should be replacing your sponges, because that's how you break out, boo. You guys already know Benefits Precisely My Brow is my jam. If you are already picking up a pencil, you might as well look at this duo that includes a miniature size for the same price as a full size. So I felt like it was worth the mention because I know I personally love the pencil, so I might as well just get a mini and keep it in my little toiletry bag. So if anytime I need to touch up, I have my pencil. The final item I'm going to talk about, I have already talked about, and that is Fenty Beauty. Of course, you gotta look at that sales section. The Mademoiselle lipsticks were a perfect buy, but now it is heavily discounted. So when these lipsticks launched, they were $149 for 10 lipsticks. Then in my last video, I said it was $105. It is now $74 for 10 of these lipsticks. Again, if you're gonna already buy 3 of the shades, you might as well just get this kit because it is so worth it. If you take 20% off, that's gonna run you $60. Sis, what? If that's not savings on savings, I don't know what is. I might pull the trigger this time. I might. There you have my rundown of the kits and items that I am eyeing and are in my cart. Definitely set your alarms, and more importantly, set a budget. Don't go crazy over skincare and makeup because it's not worth it. Plan accordingly. Definitely use your Ebates or Rakuten, I should say. If you don't have that, I will leave a link in the description box. You are not obligated to sign up with it. I do get a little bit of a kickback signing bonus, but it is up to you to sign up. Don't forget to come back and see what I picked up during the sale. Happy shopping, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.